Hey guys, welcome to On Your Mark episode 3. We haven't done one of these in like a year.
Really?
Yeah, it's been a year. So this is episode 3. If you remember, the first episode I crushed Dad with a Big Mac challenge. That'll be linked below. The second one, Dad beat me in a hot dog eating contest. So you can watch those if you haven't seen those down below. So the score is 1-1 right now. We have a rule where the loser always picks. So I lost the last one. So I decided to pick some Chipotle. Dad, you like Chipotle, don't you?
I'm not a big fan of Chipotle.
Dad hates Chipotle and any burrito item. So I thought I'd make it even worse by picking the hottest sauce that's available. Now, I think I can handle spice all right, but my dad is a complete wimp. So this will be pretty fun, I think, to watch. So these are just standard chicken burritos. We've got chicken, some white rice. I can't remember. I think pinto beans. I'll have it somewhere up here. I have the whole order. But the sour cream, lettuce, cheese, and the red salsa hot sauce.
Nice.
So, so this will be a fun one. Now the rules of this are if you're watching this because it's been a year. The reason this is called On Your Mark is because both my dad and I tend to eat very, very quickly. It's just what we do.
Maybe not today.
But, so that's why we started this.
Win?
Dad's already accepted defeat, so that's good. So that's why it's On Your Mark. It's also called On Your Mark because my dad's name is Mark, and my middle name is Mark. So that's kind of also why that is. But I think that's everything. We have some drinks. That's not part of the challenge. It's just if you want. My dad has chosen milk. I've chosen water to spread the heat. So my mom shakes her head. But and also if anything falls out, you have to eat it. It's this whole burrito.
Do you want forks?
No, we'll use our tongues.
Do you use your hands? Or?
Hands.
Okay.
Yeah, we'll be good. All right.
Okay.
I'm ready.
I imagine you washed your hands before you
Oh,
started.
of course.
Okay. On your mark. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Both ready?
Ready as I'm gonna get.
On your mark. Get set. Go.
Black beans, not pinto. Pretty good.
It's a big burrito.
I also forgot to mention Dad's not wearing glasses because he's worried he's gonna cry. Oh. Oh. Have you not hit it yet?
No.
Maybe they forgot it in yours.
Divine intervention.
Well,
Uh-oh. Chew your food.
I gotta win, Dad. Have you still not hit it?
He's crying inside.
It's not looking good.
Oh, that's nice. Oh my god. Done. Thanks, Mom.
You are welcome. Mark, put your burrito down.
Oh,
Let's compare plates. Whoa.
It didn't seem like you had as much trouble with the spice, though. That's weird.
Did you hit it? Like, is it hot? Or?
It is hot, but I don't think I hit it at the beginning. It was very lucky for me.
Oh,
So yours is maybe all on that end. You gotta
It
eat
is.
that yet.
Right? Never mind.
Woo!
You want some watermelon?
Maybe later. So, That was episode 3 of On Your Mark. Hopefully we'll have another one before next year. So Dad's picking the next challenge, so I'm not sure what or when it's going to be. But we'll see. So the current score is Adam 2, Marky 1. Just 1.
So far.
We'll see what happens. How fast was it? A little under 3:31.
Pretty good.
That's pretty good. We're not like professional speed eaters, but I'm pretty impressed with that.
Yeah.
Oh, it's spicy though. Whew.
I'm feeling it.
Well, now I kind of want to leave the camera on.
No.
I see some tears for me.
Drink your milk.
I drank half of it already.
Well, thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, please give me a big old thumbs up. Helps me out a ton. Hit the subscribe button and the bell notification so you never miss another video with me. Comment below any suggestions. We might look at them, but ultimately it's our choice. Comment below how quickly I ate, or you can make fun of me for hiccuping too. You didn't hiccup at all.
I didn't do that.
Do you do that though?
No.
I do that.
Spice doesn't bother me.
Yeah, alright. Alrighty. Well, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.
But now I'm feeling the spice on my lips and tongue and all over.